I'm Steve Wynn, and this is my new hotel. The only one I've ever signed my name to.
What's up guys, Jordan here from Show Me Vegas. Hey, we're back with yet another walkthrough video for you. This time Wynn Las Vegas and Encore, both properties, one walkthrough. Now being two hotels in one, this property is enormous, so as always I'm going to use the map to help show you around. And of course, as always, we're going to start right outside the main valet, so let's go have a look around. Wynn Las Vegas opened in April of 2005, and as with so many other things on the Las Vegas Strip, it's the brainchild of none other than Steve Wynn. Just inside the main doors to the right, you'll find registration. It's stunning, and it even features an overlook onto the Lake of Dreams. Back outside of registration, you'll find one of two gardens on this level. Day or night, the perfect place for your Instagram photos. Heading toward the middle of what we'll call the front of the property, you run across the Overlook Lounge that used to be known as Parasol Up. And of course, Parasol Down sat just below these escalators, a bar that's now just known as Bar Parasol. The outdoor portion of what used to be Parasol Down is now Aft Cocktail Deck, outdoor cocktails right on the Lake of Dreams. Aft is flanked by two of the better restaurants on the property, SW Steakhouse on one side, and Lakeside, a seafood restaurant, on the other. Both of those restaurants have outdoor seating on the Lake of Dreams. Past that, you'll see the second garden I mentioned earlier as we head toward the southwest corner of the casino. Directly ahead, you'll see the Wynn Esplanade. That is a row of shops, high-end retail that connects the Wynn with Las Vegas Boulevard. All high-end shops, Chanel, Rolex, and Louis Vuitton are just a few of the brands you'll find at the Wynn. Now, the Wynn stands on the site of the former Desert Inn Hotel and Casino, one of the legendary properties of the Las Vegas Strip. Steve Wynn bought that property and imploded it on his wife's birthday in 2001 to make way for Wynn Las Vegas. Alright, we're in the southwest corner of the casino, and as usual, it's time to hit the perimeter of the casino and show you what there is. On the south wall, you're going to find the high limit room, as if there aren't high enough limits to be found in the rest of the casino. Past that, you'll find Red 8, a restaurant serving all things Asian food. In the southeast corner of the casino, things get crowded. Directly ahead of you is the Tower Suites registration area, which also has the Tower Suite bar. Also through there, you'll find Tableau, which is a great spot for breakfast and lunch. If you turn right, down this hallway, you'll find, amongst other things, Delilah, which is dinner and a show, a very exclusive restaurant, as well as Wing Lei, which is a Michelin-rated Chinese restaurant. As we pass the first table games we've seen so far, I should tell you, if you're looking for reasonable minimums, the Wynn is not the place you're going to find them. Table games here rarely are below $25, and on the weekends, you're lucky to find a table that's less than $50. On the middle of the eastern side of the casino, you're going to find another hallway. If you're not staying at the Wynn, this is how you'll find the pool. Also down this hallway, you're going to find restaurants like La Cave and the Terrace Point Cafe, which overlooks the pool area. Across from that, you're going to find the famous Wynn Buffet, one of the best in town, although I'll say we weren't terribly impressed for the price. Also on the east side of the casino floor, you'll find the cashier, and shortly after that, the entrance to the guest elevators. If you're a nerd like me and like facts and figures, the Wynn Tower houses 2,716 hotel rooms and suites, and when the Wynn opened, it was the most expensive hotel and casino in history, the first to cost more than $1 million per room. Alright, in the northeast corner of the casino, you're at a crossroads. You can go right, you can go straight, or back into the casino. Right takes you into the Encore Esplanade. That's a line of shops that connects Wynn to Encore Las Vegas. Straight is going to take you into the Wynn Plaza Shops, another shopping district that was actually added to the Wynn long after Wynn and Encore were built. I'll take you back here for two reasons. One is to see this cool neon sculpture that's been on display for quite some time. As you can see on the sign, it is available. Pricing is available upon request. Comment below how much you think they want for that sculpture. Okay, there's actually two more reasons we're coming back here, and it's not to shop. It would take a truckload of cash to buy anything significant from this mall. But you've probably never seen tulips that weigh 3 tons. If you're interested in that, come right back here and you will not be disappointed. This is Tulips by American artist Jeff Koons. Steve Wynn bought this sculpture in 2012 for more than $33.6 million. It used to sit outside the Wynn Theater, but now it sits in the plaza outside the Earth Cafe and Cipriani, the former a coffee shop and breakfast joint, and the latter an upscale Italian restaurant. Alright, back into the corner of the casino because we're not finished yet. In this corner you'll find Allegro. That's a wood-fired pizza restaurant that also serves pasta and has late hours. Just past that, you'll find the beautiful Race and Sports Book at Wynn Las Vegas. And past that, you'll find Charlie's Bar and Grill, the most casual restaurant on property, a sports bar that overlooks the sports book. If we continue straight from here, we'll be back at the main entrance, so we're going to go into the middle of the casino so you can get a feel for what the casino looks like on the inside. The casino at Wynn is laid out in a grid, so it's actually pretty easy to find your way around in once you get used to it. You can see here we're headed back toward the front of the building and the Overlook Cocktail Lounge. Alright, that's pretty much it for the Wynn. Let's go back to that same corner of the casino, and this time we're going to take you into Encore. In addition to connecting the two hotels, the Encore Esplanade is also home to the Wynn Theater and the Encore Theater. Now, the Wynn Theater has been closed since 2020 and is currently undergoing renovations. for a brand new show, but the Encore Theater has remained open the entire time and still hosts many prominent artists. Alright, now that we're officially into Encore, let's talk a little bit about that hotel. Encore opened about 3.5 years after the Wynn in December of 2008. Encore, while it looks the same from the outside as Wynn, it actually has fewer rooms, 2,034 to be exact, but they're all suites. Like the Wynn, the Encore also holds a 5-star designation from Forbes, and that makes Wynn and Encore the largest and second largest 5-star hotels in the world. On the right, you're going to find XS, a nightclub that has indoor and outdoor areas overlooking the Encore pool. Past that, and also on the right, you're going to find Jardin. That is another great spot for breakfast, with the option to sit inside or outside overlooking the pool. When you arrive at Encore from the Wynn walkway, you come into this, the southwest corner of the casino floor. The first Encore restaurant you run across is Wazuzu, yet another restaurant that serves different Asian cuisines. On the other side of that, you'll find a large poker room, a nice addition to this property, seeing as that the Wynn Casino does not have one. Past that, on the corner of the casino, you'll find Casa Playa. That is upscale Mexican cuisine. Along the western wall of the casino, you won't find much except for one of the hottest day clubs in all of Las Vegas, Encore Beach Club. Continuing on, you'll find the High Limit Room at Encore. Just outside that is the High Limit Bar. In the northwest corner of the casino, you'll find an upscale Italian restaurant titled Sinatra, inspired by and decorated in all things Frank Sinatra. Heading up the north wall of this smaller casino, you'll find the Cashier. Just past that, the guest elevators for the Encore Tower. On the other side of the elevators, you'll find the lobby bar that overlooks the casino floor. The lobby bar, of course, sits right next to hotel registration. Right next to that is this hallway where you'll find espresso, a good place for a quick bite, and also down there is the entrance to the pool at Encore. As we head back up the east side of the casino, the last thing to see is this really cool cocktail lounge. It's the East Side Lounge. It overlooks the casino floor on one side, overlooks the pool area on the other. Alright, that's already the entire perimeter of this much smaller casino at Encore. Now we'll take you through the middle so you can get a feel of what the middle of the casino floor feels like. As you can see, the west side of the casino floor has a small sports book. And a portion of this corner of the casino is often roped off and used as an extension of the poker room. Hey, that's it for this complete walkthrough of Wynn and Encore Las Vegas. If you enjoyed this video and you like this type of thing, don't forget to go to our homepage on YouTube and check out our playlists. We have several other walkthroughs on the channel and more will be added in the future. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss these walkthroughs or any of our other content. Our current goal is 10,000 subscribers and we're so close to getting there. We would love to have you as a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button, so please do that. And if you would like to support the channel monetarily, you can always check us out on Patreon. We have some membership options out there where you'll get a few perks and also help us produce more content. Thanks to our current patrons, we appreciate your support. Anyway, that's it for this one, guys. Be sure and stay tuned in the future because there's always more for us to show you on Show Me Vegas.